Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you for another unboxing video. And guys, today I got this right here. This is the K-75 truly wireless earbuds. Now, these gonna cost me $35.99 to get it, but normally right now it's off sale. It's off sale for $39. So I bought it for $35. If you want to get these, it costs you $39.99. And I got these because they have a little gimmick. If you can see, you got some light that goes on the earbuds. So I thought, hey, let me see how these work out. Because, you never know. Even a budget pair can sound really good and be kind of cool. All right, guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, let me go ahead and give you some of the details. Again, these are going to cost you $39.99. This has Bluetooth 5.3 for stable connection, faster pair, seamless connectivity, and low latency performance for music, gaming, and calls. You have ENC. Now, ENC is active environmental noise cancellation for clear calls and every noise, even in noisy environments. It also have immersive stereo. I'm sorry, I said 3D. Sorry. Immersive stereo sound, deep bass, rich mids, and crisp highs, and enhanced audio experience. Now, for $39, I don't know if we can give you all that. So we're gonna have to see how that do. And it's IPX4 waterproof. IPX4 waterproof, secure fit, sweat, splash resistant design, perfect for workouts and outdoor activities. So that might, if you don't want to lose your iPod, this might be a good thing. And you have long battery life. Enjoy up to 4 to 5 hours of playtime on a single charge with extra power from compact charging case. And all of that is going to cost you $39.99. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right, there we go. See, that's what I'm talking about. I saw the lights. I was like, ooh, lights, RGBs on the ears. So I got it. So that's why I really got it, guys. Just me being truthful with y'all. So this is how it looks. So again, I forgot what color I got. So I don't know what's in here. So that's how the black and white looks. So we'll see what we got. So we're going to use this today for our unboxing knife. Don't want to cut myself, so I will put that up. Now, again, I'm not expecting too much out of this, but this is how it looks. I do kind of like the presentation, guys. The presentation is pretty good. So I did get the white pair. Now look at this. Okay, let's try that one down. I like that. Yeah, I know it's a gimmick, but I like that. Wow, look at that. That's nice. All right, guys. So we got that. Now we have the ear buds right here. Okay. Well, so I'll show y'all that in a minute. We got a booklet here. What else we have here? Hold on, give me 1 second. Let's check all this out. Uh-oh, they're on. All right. Oh, they're flashing. Okay, we got one flashing over there. All right. So what do we get in here? Okay, we have this flimsy. I'm talking about flimsy. USB-A to USB-C and nothing else. Okay. All right, that's the end of that. Let's put that aside. Don't throw your book away. Never throw your book away. You never know, you might need it. Okay. So we see that it's already trying to pair. So we got this here. So this is, now this feels cheap, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you. It is cheap. I do like the design. There you go. You got your USB-C up here. It looks like a booster pack from, you know, booster pack or something like that. I do like that though. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in. And okay, if that's how they look. You might be able to change the colors. I don't know yet. We're gonna have to figure that out. And right now, it looks like it's up to 100%. You got 25, 50, 75, and 100. So that's pretty cool, guys. And they're light too. So again, by it being all plastic, it's light. Now I'm gonna tell you, my favorite feature on these so far is the Hachi Kachi Ha! That right there. That is my favorite feature. Because now, if it falls, you know, it ain't coming out there. Now, that might, you know, be the feature of the year. That feature right there. So, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to see how it looks charging up. We're going to pair it, and then we're going to listen to some music. You know, I'll make some calls off the air or off, you know, screen. And then we'll get back and come back and give you my final thoughts. All right, guys, I did say we want to go charge it up first. But what we're going to do, we're going to weigh it first. So we're going to go ahead and weigh it, see how much it weighs. And you got 46 grams. That's light, guys. And each one of these by itself is 5 grams apiece. So with both of them in your ear, you're looking at 10 grams. And then this is just what? 46 grams. That's very light, guys. All right, now let's go charge it up now. Okay, what I would say is don't use super fast charging. I think 40 watt is an overkill. We're going to try it anyway, but what I would do if I was you, I would stay true to Old Faithful. Something like this, Samsung, you know, whatever else you have that's kind of old, because this didn't never say it was rated for fast charging. So just want to be safe. Now, this is fast charging, but this is like a variable fast charging. So we're going to put that on here. But we're not going to be able to use this anyway. So, because, well, we are. I got it. So we're going to try this first. See how it looks when the charge. Now, that's already at 100% to see. Does it look different? Yeah, so the middle part is going to flash when it's charging. Now, I'm hoping these cut off once they finish charging. So we'll find that out. So, boom, take that out. So what we're going to do, we'll go ahead and use this one right here. There you go. It is charging. All right, we're going to try out just with USB-C to USB-C real quick, just to make sure. So I'm going to try this one out here, which is a 40 watt now. See if it works with that. And it does, but I don't think you have to go up to 40 watts. So I think what you have at home will be plenty, whatever you have at home. Now, I wouldn't do 100 watt, 65 watt, but at least 35, maybe 40 and down, just in case you want to blow this up. All right, guys, so that's how it looks when it's charging up. I'm going to go ahead and pair it up. So we're going to take them both out. So I'm guessing that's how it looks when it's searching. They're doing the pattern thing, so we're going to say new device. And there you go. The K-75. Let's hit it. And let's see how it looks when it's paired. It says pairing. All right, let's try that again. All right, so now we're going to say pair. Now that didn't come up the first time. All right, so there we go. So now they're off. Okay, so once they get paired up, they're off. Now the touch controls, guys, I guess is on the side. It's not on here. So the touch controls are on the side. And I didn't realize that. So we're going to see how that go. So that's how it looks when this, now it does work because I touched it. Oh, so it does work. So when you touch it, see that? So the touch does work. Let me do that one more time. When you touch the side, touch does work. So we see that the touch does work. So let me figure it out, guys, and come back, listen to some music, and I'll give you my final thoughts. All right. Yo, I'm back to give you my final thoughts on the K-75 stereo bass Bluetooth earbuds with green RGB lights. And guys, guess what? Don't get them. It's a no-go. It's a flat-out E. It's a 0, maybe a 1+1, maybe a 2. But no, don't get them at all. I'm being funny, but really don't get them. They're bad. I went outside to use them, walked around my car. The music, it just cut off. Got into my car, drove around a little bit to talk on it, to see how it worked inside the car. The call quality really bad. Now, I've never heard anyone give any of the earbuds a 1. Normally, they'll say there's about a 3, 3+, 3 up, maybe a 2. But everybody I talk to these on get a 1. A 1, and that's just giving the 1. It should have been a 0, but they were just trying to be nice. So then I turned on the music, see how that went. Listen to some music. Music sounded like a D+. Wasn't really anything home to write home, anything to write home about, but it wasn't that good. But then what happened is it just started disconnecting. One would disconnect, the other one would disconnect. It'll come back on. One would go out. They'll come back on. Then I said, no. Now, don't get me wrong. Sometimes you get a budget pair or something, and it works really great. The only thing I like about these right now is the fact that the doors pop open. Let me do that one more time. That the doors pop open. I'm going to do that one more time. Doors pop open. So, guys, if you're looking at these, they come over your timeline, because that's how I found out about it. Came on my timeline, the K-75 stereo bass. Don't get them. Don't get them. They suck to the highest of suctivity in this. So, guys, that's all I got to say about them. Don't buy them. Do not buy them. I'm going to say it again. Do not buy them. Don't buy them. That's all I got to say about these guys. Yet again, it's your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another video. This is a very short video, guys, so, hey, enjoy. But don't get them. See you soon.